Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to patch test for a lash and brow tint. So what we're going to need is some developer, some tint, it doesn't matter which colour you choose, a dapping dish, some scissors, some wax strips, some micropore tape, and an applicator to mix your tint with. We're going to start off by using about 1 centimetre of tint in the dapping dish. So whatever tint ratio you use, you're going to double it with the developer. So I'm going to use about 5 drops of developer. You're going to make sure you give that a good whisk and make sure it's a creamy-like consistency. And we're going to apply this to the insides of our arms. We're not going to apply it to our neck area. This is because if you were to have a reaction, it would be very dangerous for your breathing. So we're just going to apply a little blob right on the inside of the arm. So I'm doing mine near the wrist area. And then I like to cover this with a little bit of a wax strip. So this is to stop it from going on people's clothes. And then I just cover that with a little bit of tape and it just keeps it in place. So your client can keep this on for around 20 minutes. After that, they can take it off and just use a damp cotton pad to take the excess of tint off. And then they've just got to monitor it for 48 hours to make sure they don't have any reactions. So hives, itching, anything unusual. If not, they can go ahead and have the tint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.